How to use Google AI Studio on your phone.
Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts rave about AI Studio Live? Let's find out. First things first, grab your phone and open your browser. Type in astudio.google.com/live and hit enter. Boom! You're in. Now let's get started. You'll see a clean, user-friendly interface. Tap the camera icon and grant the site permission to access your camera. Don't worry, your privacy is safe with AI Studio Live. Once the camera is active, point it at anything you want to analyze. AI Studio Live will automatically start describing and explaining what it sees. It's like having a mini AI scientist in your pocket. But wait, there's more. You can use AI Studio Live for a ton of cool stuff. Want a recipe for a meal? Point your camera at an image of a meal and it will give you a recipe. Need help identifying that mystery plant in your garden? AI Studio Live's got you covered. Curious about the breed of that cute dog you just met? Snap a photo and let the AI do its magic. Or maybe you're a student needing quick explanations of objects for a school project. AI Studio Live is your new best friend. Point your camera at anything and get a description or what it is. And the best part, it's all in real time, no waiting around for answers, so why wait? Turn your phone into a smart AI-powered camera tool with AI Studio Live. Visit aistudio.google.com/live on your phone or on your home computer and you will be amazed and see the world in a whole new way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the JLitz88 channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.